Wait. Wow, that's so... She's doing that.
Feels like we're like about to film like a rap music video or something.
Yeah.
What are we supposed to say? We're supposed to...
Hi.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel.
We're gonna be...
It's my YouTube channel.
Flipping...
Not anymore, is it?
We're gonna be flipping over...
After this
trees?
Huh?
Teach Francis, right?
That's how you dance if you improve it.
Okay, gotcha.
3, 2, 1.
Not doing that again.
Yes, you have to. They want to see. The viewers want to see. Wow.
It didn't hit the same the second time.
No, it really...
Let me make you another.
Bro just stole my line.
Hey, I'm walking
Hey, I'm walking here.
here. We're gonna put you in a meatball sub. We're gonna throw you into the Mediterranean. You're not gonna see it coming. Don't cross us. We're the Marglione brothers.
It's better.
Guys, comment down below who likes Zootopia 2
or 2.
1 or 2. Zootopia 1 or 2. I like Zootopia 1 better.
Thank God, bro.
But I still...
It's close. Like, it's not like...
yeah, it was a great sequel.
It's a really good sequel.
Definitely not
When she
wide
wears her
margin.
ears in the bun, bro, that was...
Yo, she looked chopped, but Loki
did
called her
look
out
chopped.
for that. He called her out, so it's fine.
Yeah,
like,
did.
at least they recognized that that was not the look.
Crazy. I was not expecting Zootopia to deal with racism.
Yeah,
and it's
Oh, true.
like...
No, but they did
and-
that in the first one, too.
No, they do. No, I know. But, like...
And, like-
They like, tied it into, like, police and stuff. And I was like...
Yeah.
And, like, state racism. And I was just
deep
like,
with
wow,
it.
this is, like... I don't know. I was impressed. I was kind of expecting it to be, like, a cop glazing movie. And it was, to some extent. But it's also a children's movie. They can't just be like, yeah, police brutality. Bombshell. Anyways...
See us. Can you see me? Oh! I don't think you can see.
Holy.
What up?
So we got ice cream.
We got ice cream!
Drinks, and then we got a drink, one drink. And,
We got a drink, one drink.
and then
Drinks. We got a drink. We got one drink.
we got ice cream. And now we're out here and it's a beautiful June night and then the rain is slightly coming down a little bit.
We could go down to the creek.
Release your inhibitions.
Feel the rain on your skin. No one else can feel it for you. Only you can let it in. No one else. Speak the words on your lips.
We're gonna copyright it.
What is it?
Okay, so you're
Holy
just, like,
shit.
saying
The real Natasha
You're like that
Bedingfield.
guy that was-
Both of you show your thumbs.
Show the difference in our thumbs. All thumbs are welcome on this channel. Look
Just
at the diversity. We have straight thumb, gay thumb.
yeah, sort of like a progression.
What's Francis's thumb then?
Bye.
Okay.
Yeah, kind of looks like a bird.
Do the viewers?
Okay guys, see you guys at the creek.
Oh.
I hate you. Okay, world's worst chef.
Oh shoot! I only brought my stick pans.
Oh. Salt? Never heard of it before.
Oh, there's no rat in my hat.
Which one's the knife?
You belong in the kitchen. Oh wait, no,
That's you.
yeah. Okay, you.
Me? What is that supposed to mean?
Okay.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Good morning. It's like one day later. and it's 7 a.m. I agreed to go for a morning run this morning. Also, I should mention that it's freezing outside, like actually so cold. Yay! Let's go, guys.
Oh my god.
Okay, home now. Got absolutely destroyed by the run. Woo! Number 1. Number 2, girl, I don't know how to play tennis anymore. Like, look at this. Battle scar. And I lost every time. But, bro, I'll get you next time. If you're watching, I will get you next time. Anyways, I'm just, lounging around, and my family's not home, so I'm making them some dinner. My salad. Ew. Ta-da. Looks kind of gross. Guys, trust me. No, it doesn't. That looks delicious, doesn't it? Looks bloody lovely. Just got home from work. Look what they gave me. Ooh.
Hi. Okay, wait, which way am I supposed to be?
Update the vlog. What's going on?
How to play the biggest game of frisbee ever to be played.
Fair enough.
Yeah.
Look at the view.
Dylan, yeah. You...
Me too, I'll go with you.
Double hamburger? Yeah. Call me later. She's like, oh my gosh, that's Aisha. She works here.
Well, they're eating a small and green.
What the freak? It's so
Never seen an
big.
acorn before.
What are you buying?
Bleed through the bed because I got
It's too quaint.
Too clean. And I...
freaking content.
Hey guys, gloomy, rainy evening. I've done not that much today for once, so it's fine. Got myself, got this little ring for my ear. What do we think? And I've just been trying to read my book and journal and do all the things that I need to do that isn't going on my phone. That's been a goal for the past month and a half of I need to, it really is the damn phone. Yeah, I'm trying to do everything but the thing is, I really do love consuming content. I love YouTube. I really do. Instagram Reels, every once in a while. But I need to, no. But because of that, I've been really loving watching shows. I watched Something Very Bad Is Going to Happen. That was so good. I watched Off Campus. And I saw Obsession. But anyway, now I need a new show. So if anyone can tell me what's a new show that I can watch so that I don't scroll on my phone. This is so depressing, honestly. Wow. But yeah, anyways, this summer, because it is summer now, which is wild, summer goal is I'm trying to let go of stuff that I feel like does not serve me in the right way or hasn't in the past. For example, my phone. Because I feel like my phone has been prime coping mechanism distraction for everything for years. I've had a phone for years of my life, and that's what it's been. And I don't need that anymore. So I think we should figure out a way to have it to let go of that somehow. Secondly, low-key makeup, and I've been kind of saying this, and I love doing my makeup, but needing to have mascara on my eyes to leave the house, this is low-key exposure therapy for me right now. This is just how I look at 19 years of age. This is what I look like, girl, get over it, I don't know. Another out, sitting on my ass and feeling sorry for myself. Get up. All I'm hearing these days is freaking internship, volunteer experience, club experience, freaking, I don't know. And I'm why am I not doing anything? Why am I? But it's I'm stressing about the fact that I'm doing nothing. I'm doing nothing because I want to. Sorry, but it's my life. I'm living it. I may be spewing some bullshit on this fine evening, but what is this productivity earworm that I have? I have hobbies, I have a job, and I will be returning to school in the fall. It's summer. Chill out. As long as I'm getting myself outside and doing what I want to do. I want to write a song, a full song. I want to paint. It cut out, but do you guys want to see some tattoos that I made? Okay, you actually don't have a say in whether or not you see them, but stuff like this. Whatever. Anyways, I low-key get scared thinking about who watches these videos. Like, I know my friends watch these videos, but like, if you're like someone that I don't really know, like I do know but I don't, that's what scares me. The sun is going down. I'm gonna go to bed because if you see my eye bags, I don't think I've got 8 hours of sleep in a hot minute. So, but anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching it. I hope you guys like my channel. I have a lot of fun making videos actually, even though I forget that real people are watching me. Anyways, see you guys in the next one.